Look at these stones, shaped thousands of years ago, still perfectly sharp. Incredible.
Every curve, every edge shows intelligence. How did they make this?
Even the simplest tools reveal skill we rarely see today.
The city layout. Everything built carefully, nothing random.
Look at these rooftops. Every home connected. Every corner alive.
Imagine shaping every pot by hand. No machines, just pure skill. Ancient types. Fire was life. For warmth, cooking, even protection. By evening, life slows, but the city holds stories thousands of years old.